In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add closed captions to a Google Drive video. We'll start right from your Google account in a web browser. Look to the top right corner of the page for the Google Apps icon, the small grid of dots. Click that to open the Apps menu and then select Drive. This takes you into your Google Drive where all your files and folders live. Next, locate the specific video you want to caption. You can use the search bar at the top or browse through your folders if you already know where it's stored. Once you've found the video file, right-click on it to open the context menu. In some layouts, you may see options grouped under File Information. Hover there if needed. What you're looking for is the option called Manage Caption Tracks. Go ahead and click that. A new panel or dialog will open where you manage captions for this video. Here, click Add New Caption. This is where you attach your caption file to the video. If you already have captions prepared, choose the file from your computer. Standard caption formats like SRT and VDT are commonly supported, and it's best if they're saved with UTF-8 encoding to avoid odd characters. Keep in mind that the timing inside the file should match your video's audio, because Google Drive will display captions exactly as they're timed in that file. You'll typically be asked to pick a language for the track, and you may have the option to give it a name. Select the correct language so viewers can find the right captions, and use a clear label if you're naming multiple tracks, such as English or Spanish. After you've selected the file and language, confirm to upload or save. The upload may take a moment, especially for longer videos. Once the caption track is added, it becomes available whenever the video is played in Google Drive's built-in player. Viewers can turn captions on or off using the Captions or CC button in the player controls, and if you've added more than one language, they can choose among the available tracks. If you don't see the Manage Caption Tracks option, it may be because of your file type, your permissions on the file, or an organizational setting. In that case, make sure you own the video or have editing access, and that you're working with a standard video format supported by Drive. That's it. By using the Google Apps menu to open Drive, finding your video, right-clicking to access Manage Caption Tracks, and adding a new caption, you'll make your content more accessible and easier to follow for everyone.